Can't connect right now on YouTube TV box. If you're seeing the Can't Connect Right Now error on your YouTube TV box, it typically indicates a problem with the internet connection, app settings, or device software. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Test other apps. Open other apps on your TV box to ensure the internet connection is working. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Verify network settings on the TV box. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet on your TV box. Ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 4. Run a speed test. Check if your internet speed is sufficient for streaming, minimum 3 megabits per second for standard definition, 5 megabits per second for high definition, 25 megabits per second for 4K. 2. Restart your TV box. Step 1. Soft restart. Navigate to Settings, System, Restart, and reboot the device. Step 2. Power cycle the TV box. Unplug your TV box from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. 3. Clear YouTube TV app cache and data. Step 1. Open App Settings. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV. Step 2. Clear cache. Select Clear cache to remove temporary files. Step 3. Clear data, if needed. If clearing the cache doesn't fix the issue, select Clear Data to reset the app. You may need to sign in again. 4. Update the YouTube TV app. Step 1. Open the App Store. Access the App Store on your TV box, Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for YouTube TV. Check if an update is available for the YouTube TV app and install it. Check your Google account sync. Step 1. Sync your account. Navigate to Settings, Accounts, and sign in Google account on your TV box. Select Sync Now to ensure the account is up to date. Step 2. Re-add your account. If syncing doesn't resolve the issue, remove your Google account from the device and add it back. 6. Update the TV box software. Step 1. Check for system updates. Go to Settings, About System Update. Step 2. Install updates. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure compatibility with YouTube TV. 7. Reinstall the YouTube TV app. Step 1. Uninstall the app. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, uninstall. Step 2. Reinstall the app. Open the App Store on your TV box, search for YouTube TV, and reinstall it. 8. Reset network settings. Optional. If connectivity issues persist, Step 1. Open network settings. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet, reset network settings. Step 2. Reconnect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials or reconnect your Ethernet cable. 9. Factory reset the TV box, last resort. Step 1. Navigate to Reset Options. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Step 2. Perform a factory reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the device. This erases all data, so use this as a last resort.